Okay, grade 2, I would recommend watching this video after you have watched the estimation for kindergartners that I shared on the WhatsApp group for your parents. One thing I want to make clear, I know that that thing says for kindergarten, but please don't think that I think you need kindergarten work. That's not it at all. It's just that the lady put it so nicely, that teacher, that I thought you guys might be able to understand estimation better. I do feel like I didn't do a great job explaining it the other night, so I apologize. But here I go. Don't do that. But here I go. I'm going to try again. Okay. First things first. One, I told you with the gecko picture, I told you to count in twos. Now for me, always, it has been easier. Okay, so let's do that then, since I'm saying that. For me, it's been easier whenever I don't know how many of something there is and I kind of need to make a estimated guess. I usually just go, okay, 2, 4, 6, it's about, I don't know, 24. But, okay, yeah, let's start with 2. You can choose whichever. Now, these 2 are not a part of this pile, okay? Let me just put them this way so that all of them are... Don't count them now. Okay, let's do that so we can see all of them nicely. Now, these 2 are not part of that. These 2 are called my referent, okay? That's not a word I'm going to expect you to remember, but for interest's sake, I'm going to write it down. These 2 are called my referent. To be honest, I don't know how to say that. I don't know if you say referent or referent, but whatever. We are referring to these 2 to see how many there are here. It's always easier to do this because then you can just compare. So now I see what 2 looks like. If I look at this as a whole, I would say, okay, there's about, without counting, okay, this is my 2. That's definitely double that. I'd say it's triple. 4 more, 5 more, 6 more, 7 more, 8 more. Let's say that is 20. Now, why am I saying that? I think I'm very off, but okay. We'll find out. See, that's the thing with an estimate. As long as it's close enough, you're going to be fine. Okay, the reason I say that is because I kind of checked, is this double my 2 that I have? Yes, I can already see 4 lying right here. Now, is it double 4? Can you think that there are 8 over here? Yes, I can. Is it double 8? That's actually very possible. So now we're already at 16. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm trying to kind of snowball it and say, yes, I do think that there's double of the 2, so the 4. Yes, I do think there's double of the 4, so 8. Yes, I do think there's double of the 8, 16. So it's about 16, but I think there's a bit more, okay? This is all about estimated guesses. The lady in one of the videos, I think actually it's that kindergarten one that I watched, said she called her game about taken, I can't remember what the game's name was, but she called her game about, which is the word that I really sorry for eating this thing, which is a word that I really like for estimation. I keep saying guess, but I like about more because we are using what we know to figure out what we don't know. It's not like I'm just saying, oh, that could be 100. I'm using something that I know. I know this is 2. So I'm comparing my 2 to my pile to see how many there are. So let's see how close I was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, that's actually really cool. I was close. So this was my estimate that I made by comparing these two to that. And this is the correct answer. Now, is 20 about 23? Is it more or less close to the number 23? Yes. So that was a good estimate. Okay, I want you to try, because I have the counters at school now. I want you to try and take, I don't know, pencils. Go find little pebbles outside. Cut pieces of paper into little blocks and play around with estimation. Do what I did. If you want to use 5, if you feel more comfortable with 5, that's fine. Then you just look at your pile again. You say, okay, this is what 5 looks like. Do I think there's 5? Yes. Do I think there's double 5? Let's say yes. This part could be double 5. Do I think there's 3 times 5? Yes, I think there's 15, and I think there's a bit more. So let's make it about 18, around there, you know? Or guess more than that, whatever you want to do. So go play around a bit, and yeah, watch that estimation video from the lady. This is a lot like what she does. I just thought that I would put it in our own classes, counters, and perspective. Okay,